should you get a trainer as a new person at the gym? In this video, I'll answer this question for you, so stay tuned and watch till the end. Hello team, and welcome to another episode. My name is Samir Katab. I am a personal trainer, a men's physique competitor here in Sydney, and in this video I'll be telling you if you need a personal trainer. The goal of this channel is to share as much information that I've gained through my experience as a personal trainer and as a bodybuilding competitor with you guys on YouTube. So if you like this content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to see all the news that I post. Now, a lot of people, when they start training, they will be, should I get a trainer? Will I get results even without a trainer? And the answer is maybe. Yes, you might be able to go to the gym and use some of the equipment. However, the example that I give to a lot of people, going to the gym without a trainer, especially as a beginner, it's like going to school without a teacher. So imagine you going to school and having no teacher. You're just going to go there and pretty much do what you like, and probably not going to follow a systematic way of building muscles or achieving any goals. Now the next question is it sustainable to have a trainer for the entire time? And the answer is probably not, and you don't need a trainer to hold your hand every step of the way. But if you can financially afford it, I don't see a problem with that. Get a trainer because it will help you with the accountability, it will help you with that extra push, and it will make sure that you're doing the right thing if you get the right trainer. Now again, if you go to the gym without having a trainer, it's almost like you pick up a book without knowing how to read. So if I give you a book in any language that you can't speak it and you don't know how to read it, there's not much of a point. It's almost like you're trying to learn how to read by reading a book in a foreign language. The better option would be for you to go learn how to read, then pick up that book, and you'll get so much more result out of it, even if you know how to read just the basic. Now, what about online personal trainers? I personally don't like online personal trainers because how many times have you bought a piece of furniture from IKEA and it give you the instruction on what to do, but when you try to put it together, it just doesn't work? How many times have you watched a YouTube video like this that will teach you how to fix your car window or fix something simple for the professionals, and then you try to do it yourself and it's just a nightmare? And that's exactly the same way. Having someone over the phone trying to tell you what to do and what not to do, it's really hard. And yes, in the video they display the perfect form, and when you are training yourself, subconsciously you think you're doing the right thing. However, in a lot of instances you cannot judge your own form and technique because you think your back is straight, but in fact it is rounded. You think you're doing it chest to floor, but it's not. You think you're going all the way down, but your hips are all the way up there. So there's a lot of moving parts, and you need that one-on-one face-to-face attention. Therefore, if you're an advanced trainee, someone who's been training for a few weeks, months, know how to use the equipment, knows what a good technique look like, then I'll have no problem with you following a program like an online program or an online coach. But if you're a beginner, please save your money. Don't buy into those 6-week programs or the 4-week program or the 2-week program. Find a good personal trainer or a group trainer, go with them, learn from them before you go out and try to make your own mind. Team, I hope that was helpful for you, and I wish you all the best hunting that new trainer or trying to find sort of what works best for you. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment below and I will leave you with it. Always with a pleasure. I was Samir Katab, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.